So anyway, Ma, what are you saying?
Oh, Jesus, honey, let me tell you. It's such a rough day at work again. You know, everybody's just...
Jesus Christ, Ma. That's pretty bad.
You know what, sweetie? If I didn't have this cough for the last 16 years, I would swear that I was sick.
16 years? Why would you let a cough go for 16 years?
Oh, stop. Your uncle has the same cough.
He has the same cough, so what does that mean? He's fine?
Oh, listen. It's nothing to be... Oh, Jesus. You know, I only cough up blood sometimes.
What do you mean you only cough up blood sometimes? Nobody just coughs up blood sometimes.
Oh, sweetie, you're overreacting. Your father only coughed up blood sometimes, only until the day he died.
What the fuck?